Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day. As you can see from the title, your girl's getting a tattoo. I'm excited about it. I'm not going to show you guys yet until the end. But right now I'm getting dressed. Well, the shower's in the back, I'm about to take a shower, but I don't really like this angle. Hey guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put the clip that I put in earlier because I wasn't really liking it that much, but I don't even care. But yeah, today I'm getting a tattoo. It's in Sanford. It's called Garden of Ink Tattoos, and it's good. I'll put everything down below so y'all can check it out. But I'm about to go into here, so yeah, I'm so excited. I'll explain the tattoo after I get it. I don't want to. I mean, you guys might be like, oh, basic, but there's a meaning. There's layers between and in everything, friends. Okay, but let's get in here. I love it. Look, guys. Ew. Ciao. Look at that line work. Look how good. I know I'm a newbie in the tattoo world, but like, I like it. Oops. It's nice. And honestly, okay, it did not hurt that bad. I mean, it did, but I think this tattoo like prepared me or whatever. But I'm gonna say maybe initially I would give this, like, while we were doing it, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna give it a 7 because it did kind of hurt. Like, the more he went like inside of my arm, it did hurt. But beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. But I like it. I seen a quote that was basically saying that butterflies, like, for them to grow, they have to like isolate themselves to be able to like grow. And I'm gonna figure out what it says. But also, butterflies mean like rebirth and change, and I definitely feel like that is something I am doing 2025 and moving forward. But now we just have a tattoo to just stamp it. And it's still January, and it's just nice to be going into the year with something. And I could see it. I love this tattoo. I just can't see it, but I love it. So this, I actually get to see. I think the next tattoo I want to get, okay, I'm debating. I wanted a neck tattoo right here, but it was like in a different language. I think it was like Chinese symbols or something. But it's like peace, prosperity, protect, and God. But I'm not really sure. I definitely want the peace. I was gonna get a tattoo on my neck, like right here, but then my linger lines, like, no, I don't want that. Peep my tattoo. But yeah, no. But I don't know what I'm gonna get next. Before I got tattoos, I had this whole thing like in my head what I'm gonna get done. And then when I got my first tattoo, I'm like, okay, I really like tattoos, but I really want to, but then I can't think about it for too long because then I get indecisive. But I'm actually glad I did not get the neck tattoos because, well, actually, I'm glad I didn't get the one here yet. Like, maybe I don't want it coming out too far. Like, maybe if it was like here and came out there, then maybe. But I'm thinking I want a tattoo like right here, or I might like get something done with like my shoulder. I don't know, but this is my second tattoo now. I really like this. It's just so cute. Like, hey, I'm nothing, just my tattoo. Okay, I also have some other things going on today. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in the vlog because with everything going on, but today is March. Why do I say March? Today is January 29th, and there is a march and a protest going on all around the world. I have my signs in the back don't mind how dirty the back is. But yeah, I have my signs in the back. I might add it, I might not. I just know that there's like, I don't know, there's so many things going on, and I don't know if that might not be able to make it to like YouTube, or it might be like censored. I'm not really sure. No one knows what's really going on right now. All I'm gonna say is I'm not gonna say anything, because there's a lot I could say, but I'm taking it day by day. But I am definitely going to the protest, because what is going on does not align with me and my morals. So that is the most I'm going to say. But yeah, maybe I'll put it in and put it on. If not, I want to say thank you guys for watching my videos, coming to see me get tatted up. I literally love this dog too. It's so cute. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Okay guys, so I am taking you guys with me. Got my poster board, and I'm on my way to go to the protest. I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna show you where they are. I don't know if you guys already see it, but these are the people already there. So yeah, I'm on my way. I did not put my lip gloss on. Didn't put my lip gloss on for the movement. Oh my god, I hear him coming closer. But yeah, I'm going to the protest because I feel like what is going on recently, I do not stand for. At the end of the day, we are all human and we all bleed the same blood. So what's the reason for divide? And this country was founded on immigrants. If anything, we are all immigrants. Like, this is stolen land. But I won't get into politics like that. But going in.
I don't know if you guys are on social media, but I started for like 5 seconds in compassion for what's going on in the
I'm positive, because this is crazy. It's crazy.
So, as a public school teacher, it is super disheartening to know that they're expecting me
no sense at all. Like, we could be the next genocide. We're already on the water. We're already on the water. We're already on the water. Like, that does not. Yeah.
Okay, I am leaving the march. It was very beautiful. Everyone telling like their stories, and their like everyone just coming together as like a unit is beautiful. Because even though they're trying to divide us, we're still coming together and showing that there's still unity in the United States, or at least trying to. But yeah, I had to leave because I had to go pick up Tovi from school. Protester, but mom first. But this was very beautiful. Sometimes I don't have like the right words to say, and I trip up on my own words. Maybe I'll do a little voice thingy over, not really sure. But what we're standing for, I think, is beautiful. Oh my god, look! I did park so far away though. This lighting, oh bless you. I was ready for it to be like a nasty one. Toby, say hi. This lighting was bomb though, so I had to pull out the camera. But yeah, I got my Toby Dovey. Yeah, got a tattoo, went to a protest, and now we're at the park. We're going to the baby section because if it's up to Cove, he would be, let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you see how big that big boy area is? That's where he's gonna probably go over there anyways. That's just Toby Dovey. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Cove, say bye. Bye.